Is your website not responding properly, or is it difficult to navigate through your website? In this video, I am going to show you how to find the reason why your website is not working properly, as well as to find the solutions to that problems. My name is Kojon Ketia of SAS Media Studio, a media and a digital agency. Are you ready? If you are ready, get some cup of cocoa and relax. These are what you are going to learn in this video. 1. What is website auditing? 2. Why you need website auditing? 3. Website auditing with PageSpeed inside. 4. Finding solutions to errors after website audit. Finally, we will try and see if you have errors on the website I'm going to use in this tutorial. If you have an error, which is very simple to do, then we walk through the resolution part. So I'll show you where you are going to find your solution, so that one you don't have to worry at all. So after that, I'll give you my advice. After giving you advice, I have 2 questions for you, so make sure you go to that part so that you can answer those 2 questions, and after that I'll just walk out on you. No, sorry. Oh my goodness, I cannot walk out on you. I'll respectively take my leave. Okay, so now make sure you watch to the end of the video because this video is a bit technical. So now, what is website auditing? Website auditing is an extensive evaluation of a site performance or website performance, user experience, and technical perspectives. What basically means is we are going to scan through your website, you find errors that is affecting your website's performance, then we are going to find a way to solve that errors so your website can improve its performance and user experience. That is very simple. Okay, so why is it important to do website auditing? Simple. 1, to improve website performance, as I told you about. Okay, we need to improve our website performance. 2, to ensure website security. So you are going to find out if there is a vulnerability on your website, so we just take and close that vulnerability, or you just break down that vulnerability so people cannot just go to your website and take control or just tell out your information. Okay, so you need to find out if there is an error in your security systems. Okay. 3, to keep up to date of industry trends. Okay, so when you keep on auditing your website, you can keep up to date with the industry trends. So if you are into tech, so you can keep up to date of tech trends. You get it? Then finally, to increase or to enhance your SEO. So when you do a proper site auditing, it will help you to enhance your SEO because a good website ranks higher on search engine. Okay, so that is it. So now let's proceed on going to do our website auditing with PageSpeed inside. So this is the website. Okay, just insert your link and click on analyze. Okay, so this is the result of the performance of my website on mobile device. Okay, so you have the desktop and you have the mobile. Okay, so now let's attend to the mobile. Then first you go to the desktop. Okay, as well. So depending on the device your visitor uses in visiting your website. Okay, so if a lot of your visitors are visiting your website using mobile, you need to be very careful in improving your mobile device experience. Okay, so that is it. So you can see the performance is 99. The accessibility is the problem. Okay, so now we have to scroll down. Then you can see, when you see a red shape, that means that is a huge problem. It's a warning. But when you see a yellow, that means it's not really a big problem, but still you need to solve if you want to get a higher performance. Okay, so they are saying reduce initial server response time. So keep the response time for the main document short because all other requests depend on it. Okay, so themes, plugins, and server specification all contribute to server response time. Okay, so you need to check if you have themes that you are not using. If you have plugins that you are not using, you have to go and quickly delete it. Okay, and for the server, if you are self-hosting it, you need to check your server. But if you are hosting on other platforms, okay, you can just contact them and see if they can do something about the initial server response time. But I don't think there's nothing they can do about that, because if it is a shared hosting, if it's a shared hosting, a lot of people are using that hosting platform, so basically it is going to be affected. But if it is your own dedicated hosting, then that one you can do something about it. Okay, so I'll explain that. I'll make a special video explaining what is a shared hosting, dedicated hosting, and also VPS hosting. So I'll make a video on that. And if you want me to make such video, just leave it in the comment section. Just type in I want you to make that video, yes, okay, or just yes, or just type in yes at the comment section, and that's all. So buttons do not have accessible name. Okay, so when you click on, you can see this button I think it's not of use, so you can go and delete that button, or you can just give it an accessible name. Okay, so this is how you can do a website audit on your website. Okay, so when I click on desktop, okay, side, okay, they are saying links do not have descriptive so that is my SEO aspect. Okay, when I click on this, so they are giving me a list of pages that has been affected by this error. Okay, links do not have descriptive text, so my SEO score I have 92. Okay, so when I work on this 1 2 3 4 5 6, 10 links, okay, that is 10 links. Okay, so when I work on this 10 links, I'm going to get 100% SEO score. Okay, so that is very simple. If you are finding it difficult, you can just wait for me to give you out the website that can help you to solve your problems. Okay, so all the problems you find over here, before I even talk about resolution, let me quickly run to the top 3 websites that can help you to solve the errors you find on your website when you go to your auditing phase. Okay, so the first website is YouTube, exactly where you are, YouTube. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to where the problem is. So let's say reduce initial server response time. Okay, you just have to copy that. You go to YouTube, you paste it over there, just like that. Okay, if you are using WordPress, you can add WordPress. As you can see, people have already made a search on that. Okay, so you can, let's say on WordPress, so on WordPress website, okay, just click on, okay, if you are using Blogger, you can just type in Blogger, and that is why. So how to solve reduce initial server response time. So there are a lot of people have created a video on that, and if you want me to create a video on that, leave it at the comment section, and I'm going to make a special video on that for you. Okay, so when you find the errors, okay, you can come here, you find a lot of videos, you follow along. I know there are a lot of scrap videos over there, but you find better videos that are working perfectly fine. There are some videos which are outmoded. Okay, so but this but still you can find good videos. Okay, that is exactly where I find my solutions. Okay, so that is it. So the second website I'm going to talk about is Google. Yes, Google. Okay, so all you have to do is just paste in your problem, and let's see on Blogger. If you are using Blogger, so on Blogger, then enter, then you can see people have created videos and about you can see people have created videos about it. So you can 5 ways to reduce initial server response time, reduce page bloat. Okay, bloat. Okay, heavy and poorly coded themes, plugins, content can harm your loading times. Okay, so if your website has a theme which is carrying a lot of unnecessary code, it can cause the server response time. As well, you can optimize your database, you can configure caching, or you can also choose a fast and reliable web host. So with the caching, I'll make a special video on that. If you want me to make a special video, just tell me at the comment section. I'll make a video on that for you. Okay, and for the CDN, I don't have problem with CDN. So if you want the video on that, at the comment section. So well, I think that will be the reduce page bloated. That will be the problem of my website. Yes, I know. So I'll just go and delete unnecessary pages, unnecessary plugins that is affecting the load time of my page, of my website, as well as themes. Okay, so that is the second website, and the third website is Quora. Okay, so with Quora, you are not going to find it. You are not going to do well. You can try. You can go to the search. Let's see on Blogger. Let's see, because Quora is a question and answer platform. Okay, So people have created content about such problem you are going to put over there. Then you go and you read about it, or you can join spaces about website development. Okay, so I will teach you how you can join spaces on this website. Okay, then you put out your problem on that space and expert will attend to that problem. Okay, so let's say you want to do it on Blogger. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so you can see, why should I do what should I do to reduce the server response time in Blogger? Okay, so hello, first of all, okay, so the website I talked about. Okay, this is the page inside. You need to check the speed of your website. So page inside, well, there's no any information over here. You can go to the next one. You can go to the next one, so you find what you desire. Okay, so these three websites can help you to solve your errors on your website. Okay, when you do a search on or an audit using the PageSpeed insight. Okay, so now my advice for you is you need to the three website I give it out to you that you can solve the errors on. Okay, you need to choose the one you normally use, the one you are cool with. Okay, if you are interested in watching videos, you go for YouTube. If you are interested in text, you just go on Google or you go on Quora, then you find your solutions. Okay, and side auditing is very good, and please don't try to get 100%. It is not good. Too much of everything is bad. Okay, so when you are into 90s, you are cool, but don't go to your 80s. That is overall score. Don't go to 80. Okay, so 90 going is perfectly fine for you. Okay, so that is my advice. Okay, because when you try chasing 100%, you might find yourself into another problem and you might not like. Okay, so it's better you just be in the 90s. Okay, and that is very, very fine. Okay, so that is the end. Okay, so my questions for you is, what was your website overall score? So you leave it at the comment section. And also, do you want me to make a special video, as I said, in solving one of the problems or the errors on your site auditing? Okay, so in this video, what we learned in this video is what is website auditing. We talk about the importance of why you need website auditing. We also went ahead on the website that you can find solutions to the errors you find on your website when you do your website auditing. Okay, and I also gave you my advice, and finally I also gave you some questions for you to answer. And the last one is, we are signing out. Okay, to wrap it all, I'm signing out, and I'm doing it respectfully. And before I sign out, please like this video, please subscribe so you can get my future updates. Okay, whenever I upload a video, you are going to be notified. Like this video, and that serves as an encouragement for me to create more videos for you guys. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.